Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SMK Technologies. Let's get into today's class. Today we are going to set up environment to work further in WebLogic. First we are going to set the operating system means CentOS. Open VMware, then choose the option create a new virtual machine. Select the option typically, click on next. Choose the iOS file which is before we downloaded. Click on next. Give the username and password. Click on next. Give the mission name and give the path where your virtual machine want to be placed. Click on next. Give the maximum disk size. Now for this training we are going to give the 50 GB. In future we have to increase. There is no problem. Click on next. Click on customize hardware. Now we are going to choose memory 4 GB of memory. Click on close. Click on finish. It will install operating system. Doesn't give any error because we give all specifications already. This will take some time. Once installation is completed, you can see like this. Access your CentOS by giving the password. CentOS installation is completed. Now we are going to see how to install Mobile Extra. We already downloaded the Mobile Extra installer file. Now extract it. After extracting, open the file. Simply double click it. Click on next. accept the license agreements, click on next, click on next, click on install. It will install automatically. Click on finish. Now open the mobile extreme, click on sessions, click on SSH. Now we don't know the IP of our server. Further, we are going to our server, give the password, click on applications, system tools, click on terminals. Give the command if config -a. It will give the IP address. This is the IP address of our physical machine. Just double click on it. It will automatically copy it. Paste the IP address. Click on user specific. Give the username. Click on OK. It will ask the password. Give the password of your username. Click on enter. It will ask to save the password. Click on yes. Now we are going to copy all the files we downloaded to run the WebLogic. First, we make a directory with the name of softwares. Now we will see the softwares folder in this area. Click on softwares. Now you see the button download and upload. Whatever you files to upload from your local system to your server, you can use this upload. Click on upload, and now I am going to browse the binaries. We want JDK files for installing Java. And Oracle 12C and 14C. I am going to upload all these files. Now we are going to list the files in the software folder. Software list of files. We uploaded those files. Thanks for you watching this video. We can continue in the next video.